Automation and AI could potentially replace up to 800 million jobs worldwide. And no, this isn't some distant, far-off prediction. It's happening right now. Self-checkout kiosks are taking over cashier positions. AI-generated advertisements are reducing the need for entire marketing teams, and even lawyers and doctors are beginning to feel the effects of AI's growing presence in their industries. So, what does this mean for you? Should you panic? Should you be looking for a place to hide? Absolutely not. While AI is displacing jobs, it's simultaneously opening the door to a whole new range of opportunities. The trick is to understand how to adapt and evolve before it's too late. First, let's take a closer look at the jobs most at risk. If your job involves repetitive, predictable tasks or is heavily reliant on data processing, then there's a good chance that AI could do it faster, more efficiently, and at a lower cost. Some of top jobs at risk: data entry and clerical work. AI can process vast amounts of information in the blink of an eye. Customer support. Chatbots are already replacing human agents in many industries. Retail and fast food workers. With self-service kiosks and automated checkouts becoming more common, these roles are increasingly vulnerable. Truck drivers and delivery services. The rise of self-driving vehicles poses a threat to traditional delivery roles. Content writers and translators. AI can now generate full articles, scripts, and even translations. But don't panic. While some jobs are at risk, other jobs remain relatively AI-proof. Examples of AI-proof careers: childcare specialists, social workers, healthcare professionals. While AI can assist doctors and nurses, it can't replace the human touch, empathy, and complex decision-making that are fundamental to healthcare. Skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, and mechanics rely on hands-on problem-solving that artificial intelligence cannot easily replicate. AI and tech roles. Jobs like AI specialists, AI automation are the best to learn and will be safe in future too. So if your job falls into the high-risk category, what should you do? Simple. Evolve. Embrace the changing landscape and adapt your skill set accordingly. Don't be afraid of AI. Learn it. Understand how AI works and use it to your advantage. Think of AI as a power tool. It's not here to steal your job. It's here to enhance it. The people who succeed will be those who leverage AI to boost their productivity and creativity. Now let's dive into how to actually adapt and stay ahead of AI. Here's a step-by-step game plan to future-proof your career. Step 1. Learn AI tools relevant to your industry. Look into tools like ChatGPT for writers or Midjourney for designers. These AI tools can help you improve your work and give you a competitive edge. You can also take online courses in areas like AI, data analysis, or digital marketing to expand your skill set and keep pace with industry changes. Step 2. Focus on what AI can't do. While AI excels at processing data, it's still limited in many areas. Develop soft skills that AI can't replicate, like leadership, teamwork, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Specialize in domains where AI still struggles, such as strategy, ethics, and complex decision-making. Step 3. Experiment and be open to new opportunities. The jobs of the future may not even exist yet. Be open to exploring new industries, roles, and challenges. Test out new AI tools and see how they can help you become more efficient, whether it's enhancing your current role or helping you pivot into a new field. Step 4. Build your personal brand. AI may change the job landscape, but personal branding will always remain a human-centered endeavor. Showcase your skills and expertise on platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, and other social media. Building a strong personal brand will help you remain visible and relevant in a world that's increasingly driven by AI. Listen closely. AI isn't the enemy here. Ignorance is the true threat. The people who resist change and refuse to adapt to AI will be left behind. But you, yes, you, have the power to stay ahead. If you take action now, the future can still be yours. So, what's your next move? Are you going to ignore AI, or are you going to future-proof your career starting today? Drop a comment below and let us know how you plan to adapt.